Hello sir, this is understanding the problem. We are told that selling price per notebook 45 pesos. Cost to make one notebook 25 pesos. Fixed expenses is 1,200 pesos. And we need to find is a total profit if the sell 60 notebooks and 150 notebooks. And then breakpoint point. How many notebooks must be sold so profit becomes 0 pesos? Cost function. Cost function. So this is the formula of cost function. Cost C is a cost function. C of x equals B is the variable cost, bx plus P is fixed. Then so ang na tong button is ang revenue function. Revenue function. This is a revenue function. Revenue function. Yan. And the revenue function, this is a formula of revenue function. R of x equals P of x. And this is kani nga R, this is a revenue. Revenue of x equals yung P is a price. Then ang x is the unit. So ang nasa problem 45x kay 45x ang ibutang nato diri kay wala pa may ibutang diya kung pila ang notebook ang nabaligya or ibaligya wa pa specific kung pila ang ibaligya nila nga notebook. So yun guys, move ta sa profit function. Profit function. So this is a formula of profit function. P of x equals R of x minus C of x. So yan. So mao na ang profit function. And then ang ibutang nato diri sa R sa revenue of x is this. Ini sa 45x. So man siya minus, butang na siya din minus. So ang ibutang ang sa cost of x, ang ibutang nato is ang kani sila duha kani 25 close parenthesis 25x plus 1,200 na. So ang buhato nato diri sa profit is i-minus nato sila ning duha kani sila duha kay ang kaning fix di na siya pwede mabawasan or madungagan kay fix naman na siya para sa materials, permits, and table rent. Di na siya pwedeng mabawasan ba or like madungagan, di na siya pwede. So ang need buhaton nato is kanira ang duha nato ang ang isolve na to kani sila duha. So 45x minus 25x is 20. 20x. P of x equals is px. Px ang gamiton diri because ang ganing 20 that is 20x 20 of x, that is price and unit. So ang kani px, so px minus f, that's a fix. So ang p na to is price is 20, and then ang unit na to is 60 minus f. Ay, no. It is a 1,200 pix, and 20 times 60 is 1,200 minus 1,200 equals, so 1,200 minus 1,200 is 0. P of x. So this is a answer of so this is a total profit if they sell 16 notebooks and move ka sa 150 notebooks. So same gyapon nga formula akong gamiton kay maura gyapon ang price and unit tapos minus dayon sa fix. So P of x equals price and unit minus fix. So ang price na to is 20. So ang unit na to is 150. Minus na to sa fixed 1,200. So 20 times 150. 20 times 150 is 1/8. So 20 times 150. 20 times 150 is 3,000. 3,000 minus 1,200. So 3,000 minus 1,200. So the answer is 1,800 pesos. So P of x. So this is the answer of total profit if they sell 150 notebook, 1,800. So the breakpoint na to is sa breakpoint na to sa 60 notebooks kay na zero siya kay 20 times 60 is 1,200 equals 1,000 minus 1,200 equals to 0. So 0 ang total profit sa 60 notebooks if they sell. So butang na to diri is profit 0. They break even. sa pag-solve is ingani. Break-even point. Break-even point. So this is 20x minus 1,200 equals 0. 20x equals 1,000. X equals 1,200 divide 20. So 1,200 divided by 20, the answer is 60. So this is the final answer, 60. So yun sir, it's done. I hope na masabtan na rin mo akong ano sir, sorry kayo if bulol kayo ko, and thank you sir. Bye bye.